What does Muhammad Ali, Mike Tyson, and Tyson Fury have in common? The answer is, they were all doing boxing. Are you prepared to step into the ring of one of the most intense and exhilarating sports out there? Boxing isn't just about the fight. It's a transformative journey that unlocks a wealth of health benefits. Today we're diving into the world of boxing and exploring how this sport can profoundly impact your body and mind. From building strength and agility to enhancing mental sharpness, boxing offers a holistic approach to fitness and well-being. Make sure to stay with us until the end, because we have some surprising insights that will change the way you think about fitness. You don't want to miss out on this. Boxing and its various forms are no longer confined to the ring. Boxing is gaining popularity across broader audiences than ever before. Today, boxing workouts aren't just about preparing for fights. They're a gateway to incredible fitness benefits. Engaging in boxing exercises not only enhances endurance, but also boosts cardiovascular and respiratory health. These dynamic workouts can transform your fitness level, but it's essential to recognize the risks involved. While boxing offers substantial physical benefits, the sport comes with inherent risks, particularly during sparring. Unchecked, these sessions can lead to injuries that jeopardize long-term health. Head trauma from repeated impacts can potentially damage the central nervous system over time. For those prioritizing safety without compromising on the benefits, non-contact boxing exercises are a viable alternative. These sessions focus on honing technique and strength through punches directed at punching bags, offering a safer yet equally rewarding fitness experience. Whether you're stepping into the ring or training solo at the gym, boxing holds the potential to transform both body and mind. For those who aren't aiming for sports stardom but seek to harness boxing techniques for personal fitness, specialized avenues within the sport cater perfectly. These workouts unfold in inviting, well-equipped gyms, complete with comprehensive protective gear and expert trainers adept at tailoring routines to individual goals. These tailored approaches in boxing focus not only on muscular strength, but also on agility development, all while minimizing the risk of injury. They provide a safe yet effective path to achieving desired fitness outcomes. Here's a closer look at the numerous health benefits that regular boxing training can deliver. Boxing uniquely blends aerobic and anaerobic exercises. Aerobic workouts elevate cardiovascular demands, boosting blood flow to muscles and lungs while triggering the release of endorphins. This dual-action aerobic training not only aids weight loss, but also reduces the likelihood of cardiovascular diseases and chronic conditions. In addition to sparring, boxing sessions integrate diverse exercises like jump rope, circuit training, and running. These activities effectively enhance cardiovascular fitness, ensuring a well-rounded workout regimen. If you're new to boxing or sports in general, it's crucial to ease into training under professional guidance. Consulting with a trainer helps establish a comfortable starting pace that aligns with your fitness level and goals. As we age, joint health becomes increasingly important, as weakened joints heighten the risk of fractures and discomfort, impacting daily life and physical activities. Boxing exercises, when performed correctly and under supervision, strengthen muscles around joints, bolstering their stability and resilience. Before we continue with the video, comment below if you know who said this. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Now let's get back to the video. Embracing boxing as a fitness journey not only improves physical health, but also cultivates mental toughness and discipline. Whether you're striving for peak performance or simply aiming to stay fit and active, boxing offers a pathway to achieve these goals effectively and safely. Engaging in physical activity isn't just crucial for exercise, but also for everyday life challenges. It's worthwhile to address potential issues with physical activity before they arise, and boxing offers a comprehensive solution. Basic boxing exercises require training your legs and arms, effectively strengthening your joints, and enhancing overall physical stability. One of the notable benefits of boxing is improved coordination. Training involves quick movements and precise timing to synchronize punches with the rhythm of the punching bag. Despite concerns about injuries, it's essential to note that risks exist in any physical activity, even in seemingly low-impact exercises like jogging. Starting with foundational training, such as bag work, jump rope exercises, and movement drills, ensures a gradual progression towards mastering boxing techniques. If traditional gym workouts aren't yielding the desired results, boxing presents a dynamic alternative. It provides a full-body workout that engages arms, legs, back, abs, and even buttocks through exercises like jumps, squats, kicks, and punches. These intense workouts lead to noticeable muscle toning and strength gains without the need for additional weights. Boxing burns between 400 to 700 calories per hour, depending on the intensity and type of exercises performed. This blend of cardio and strength training contributes significantly to weight loss and enhances overall body composition. Moreover, boxing accelerates metabolism due to its demanding physical nature, further aiding in weight management and fitness improvements. Enhanced muscular strength and cardiovascular endurance are additional benefits of regular boxing workouts. As muscles strengthen and the cardiovascular system improves, overall body stamina increases. This heightened endurance not only supports longer exercise durations, but also enhances oxygen and blood circulation to muscles, improving overall physical performance. Beyond physical benefits, boxing also positively impacts mental well-being. Aerobic exercises like boxing are known to boost mood, improve sleep quality, and elevate self-esteem. The stress-relieving benefits of boxing are particularly noteworthy, as the physical exertion releases endorphins and serotonin, promoting feelings of happiness and relaxation. Engaging in boxing doesn't require aspiring to become a professional boxer. Training activities like sparring and technical drills efficiently help individuals achieve and maintain physical fitness goals. Whether it's for weight loss, strength building, stress relief, or overall health improvement, boxing offers a holistic approach to fitness that is both engaging and rewarding. And after a long day of work, stepping into the gym offers a perfect outlet to release pent-up stress and negative emotions. Channeling your energy into boxing not only helps you physically, but also mentally, allowing you to unwind and rejuvenate. It's a powerful way to clear your mind and reset, leaving you refreshed and ready to tackle whatever comes next. By the way, friends, if you got any value from this video, I would appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos as we continue to provide valuable insights and guidance on achieving your fitness goals. Next video showing on the screen will help you towards your fitness goals. We'll see you there.